Good afternoon. We are enjoying some sunshine, some blue sky, and what looks to be quiet conditions, but there is a little bit of a wind and cold air in place. And those two combinations are never good in the winter time. So we're looking at some cold conditions as you step out the door here today. The one thing we are missing out on is snow. That's passing by to the south of us, as you can see on our radar here. Iowa right now getting hit by some good snow at this point. That's going to continue traveling east. And we're on the north side of the system, so we've got that colder, drier air here and some clear skies. So we get the cold in order to avoid the snow. For those of us who don't want to have to deal with that on the roads after this weekend, I'm sure there's lots of people who'd like to see some more snow, and there are a couple of shots of that coming up here in the forecast. Here are a few areas where we're seeing some snow, or some cloud cover rather, up north, up in Grand Forks. That's dropping southward, but for the most part, we do have some clear skies and some sunshine. The wind I mentioned was in the teens. We do have some gusts into the 20s, Sisseton 25, even some steady speeds in the 20s in Gwinner and Jamestown, and Oaks a gust to 31 miles per hour. So that area seeing some stronger winds. The rest of us into the teens to about 20 miles per hour. And your wind chills into the teens to 20s below as a result of that wind. When our actual temperatures have finally climbed above zero, we're at 2 in Fargo and 4 in Grand Forks. Not by much, but we're creeping up just a little bit here today. It looks better to be able to see that. As we progress through the afternoon hours, we'll see a few more degrees added on to that, and we'll see highs ranging from around 2 to maybe close to 10 degrees above, with that wind continuing out of the northwest. By the time we get into this evening, we'll start to see those temperatures dipping once again below zero. 10 o'clock tonight, once again, some of us into the teens below at that point, and that just continues into tomorrow morning. So a lot of us stuck with some sub-zero double-digit temperatures. We're looking at 11 below to start off tomorrow morning, 13 below in Grand Forks, and some places even colder than that, especially in northwest Minnesota. So a frigid start, colder than today. Then the clouds start to move in for the morning hours, and we'll see a chance for some snow approach as well. This will be more likely in the afternoon. This is noon. You could see some of that snow's trying to work its way into the southern valley especially, and that could be just enough to cause some issues for that evening drive home, to pick up the kids from school in the afternoon hours tomorrow as well. Shouldn't be heavy again, but still enough to coat some of those roads, and then that does move on for the day. For tonight and into tomorrow morning, another wind chill advisory for most of the valley, thanks to those temperatures being as low as they are. Any wind will have a big impact, and your high tomorrow, high of 10. With that chance for some snow. Wednesday, we get a little bit of a break from that, a high of 8 with mostly sunny skies. And Thursday into Friday, another little shot of snow coming in. And then this weekend, fingers crossed, we can start warming up a little bit. But we've got a cold work week in progress.
At least something to look forward to.
Yes.
A little light at the end of the tunnel. Straight ahead.